Hello, it's another quick unboxing video. This time it's that wasp nest that was in one of the previous videos. It got a bit too big, and my wife's can get anaphylactic shock from wasp stings, so unfortunately it had to go. I don't think we'll be needing that today, but I have got some of that just in case. I thought I heard a buzzing then. So yes, what's kind of cool about this is that they built their nest inside a roll of reflective insulating foam sheets. You put this behind your radiator and it reflects the heat from the radiator back into the room rather than heating up the wall behind the radiator. And they've made it in there, so it should be quite funky because it should just unroll. I've got my escape route. I think they're dead, but we'll find out. So yeah, let's get on with it. So I'm not quite sure where to begin. I'll take a few bits off just to see what happens. I think this main drum bit, we can take that off completely and get rid of the main box. Right, there we are. I'm going to pause just in case I hear any wriggles. I might have to run away very quickly. There's a lot of dead wasps lurking about. Quick listen. Yeah, I can hear some buzzings, so I'm getting that ready. It's got a very quick knockdown effect. I'm going to pop that bag and put that in there. I'm a little bit nervous, if I'm being honest, but I don't really notice wasp stings, so I'm not that bothered. I'll just have to occasionally vac. Just to pick up any little loose dead ones. I'll get rid of this. There's a rear entrance there, but I've sprayed that quite well, so we should be able to just take this off. I will be running away very quickly. Oh, there's a live one. Hello, little friend. Sorry about this. Turns out he did be Leatherman after all. So we'll just try and take it apart very slowly so as not to upset the, well, I think it's probably safe to say they're already pretty upset. There's a rather massive cluster of dead ones there. Oh, and there's some live ones. Yeah, I'm starting to get a bit worried now. So we'll just give that a bit of a squirt with this stuff. That should take care of them. I'll move that box a bit closer. Put all the bits and bobs in it. It will take them out quite nicely. It's a very good contact wasp killer. So there's another bit for the bin. A few live ones in there. I'll get rid of these little bits here. After the red ones. Right, so I don't know how much of that you can see, but there's the back of it. There, look. And there's a few live ones. Oh, hello. That's a bit interesting. There's part of the comb. So let's just have a look at that. Oh, maybe opening it on the table was not a very good idea, but nonetheless, let's just unravel it. Oh, there's a lot of them. Quite a few of them are dead, but some of them are a bit wriggly. Whoa. see that. Oh, that one's a bit angry. Sorry, my little friend. Well, not actually sorry. They're a proper stingy little what's it, aren't you? So there's quite a few. Oh, they've munched all the way through there. Hello. Wow, that's metal. So they're all a bit metally, these ones. Not sure what I'm going to do next. Oh yes, I can feel the stuff. Wow. Yeah, we'll take care of them. Yeah, probably should have done this outside. Hello. Yeah, they're all dying, so oh, well, let's get this sucked up. We'll suck them up. Okay, it's them safely away. Let's unravel it a bit more. I all sort of, whoa! Oh, we're all right. I let my calm exterior crumble there for a bit. Obviously, this probably isn't a good idea to try this at home, even though I am trying it at home. I think we'll give them a bit of a, because they're wriggly, but they're still alive. And we'll just curl that up. Curl that up. Ooh, a bit more active. Yeah, I haven't really thought this through. But it had to go, unfortunately, because of the danger of them. I don't get a problem with stings particularly. Whoa, dudes, calm it down a little bit. I don't get a problem with stings, so I'm not particularly worried. But my wife, that's a different thing altogether. We're unravelling. Well, they've been quite busy. Whoa, we're definitely going to have that. And give them a good going over. I don't know how much of the detail of this you're getting, but I probably should have done this outside. The killer takes a few minutes. Well, it's got a very powerful knockdown effect, so I'm not particularly worried. I'm just worried when I see the ones that are, well, it's a wasp, and instinctively you know they're going to sting you, don't you, if they're given a chance. So I'm not giving them any chances. Yeah, they've munched right through this. Whoa, there's a lot more than I was expecting. You're alive. No, you're not. Right. This is not the best idea. Have a few more, give them some more little squirt there. Yeah, there's some buzzings going on. That one's pretty angry. Oh, hello. Yeah, let's smell that. What would be bad now is if I run out of spray. That would be a terrible thing. What I should do is get that cut off. They're all pretty docile because I've given the nest a progressive spray. this stuff's it's pretty remarkable. I don't know how it works. I think it just does their nervous systems, but I don't know. But it's extremely powerful. Can you hear that buzzing? It's a bit ominous. I'm probably anticipating getting stung at some point. Just going to snip that. Ooh, that's going to upset him. There we go. So that great big chunk of stuff is going in that box there. There's nothing alive in there. There's a few alive here, so we'll have them. It only takes a very tiny amount of the stuff to kill them, which is absolutely unbelievable, really. Somewhere in here is a very angry queen. The poison won't penetrate the nest. But we're doing quite well at the moment. 0 stings so far. It's just unravelling. Quite a few there that are wriggling about. That takes care of them. And we've got another little turn. They've munched right through this. This is metallic. I hope they don't change to some kind of super wasp. That's the main nest there. I don't know if you can see that. I'll just get the knife bit of this out. I'll just spin that a little bit. They're busy little whatsits, aren't they? Goodness me. Right, I'm going to snip that because we've almost unravelled it all. That's that gone. So I'll just knock those onto the table. Little waspy whatsits. In there, and then give this a little bit of a twiddle. They have munched right through that metallic roll. Quite industrious. We're doing quite well. I'll just unravel that. Right, we're almost completely unravelled. So they'll reproduce some quite beautiful structures. It's just a shame I did it in my garage. It's quite remarkable what they can produce, but they couldn't really be allowed to stay because of the danger of it. Oh, he's alive. Not now. So where's the queen? She's here somewhere. We don't really know where she is. She'll be at the heart of the nest somewhere. Oh, well, that probably wasn't a good idea, flicking that. There's a few wrigglers. But that's the main portion of the nest where they started. They've got, it's quite remarkable, it's like a little cave system. But I don't see the queen. So whether she's amongst all this lot that are already dead, I don't know. Because they're all wriggling away because they're dying. That's a bit of a lump there. flick that out of the way. This is the bit I don't really fancy touching. Oh, there's all the grubs, look. Wow, there was going to be thousands of them. I'd originally planned to wait until winter to do this, but it's not really. I couldn't really wait because there's quite a lot of them, and they were getting a bit of a menace. That's quite a big one there. Is that the queen? Oh no, it's not. Don't know where the queen is. Can't find her. She's in here somewhere. Should be bigger than the rest, and probably a lot angrier as well. Because I don't know where she is at the moment. That looks like a bit where she could have been. There's all the grubs and stuff. Right, so they all sort of come out in a circle, look, so maybe the queen was in that spot there. Maybe she's still in there, but I can't see. I can't hear anything. They're all looking a bit dead now. There isn't one that stands out as being massive. These are all worker ones. I think she was probably in there. She may have tried to crawl out. Don't know. Doesn't matter anyway, does it? It would have been nice to end with the queen, but I don't think we're going to get her. She's somewhere in there. Ooh, what's that? No, that's just a collection of grubs. No. Right, so there you go. Slightly unorthodox unboxing. I did need the Leatherman after all. Any questions, any comments? Stick them in the comments. I'll just take the camera off and we'll have a bit of a close-up of it. There's a few little wrigglers, but the structures they make are quite remarkable. I'm just sorry they had to I had to get them really, but it was them or my wife, and well, that's not an easy question to debate, is it? But this sort of stuff is just, it's amazing what they can make. They bit that off the fence. The fence has got little chew marks, so most of that's actually the fence as well. But anyway, any questions, any comments, stick them in the comments. I won't be doing this again. I'll be back to my usual stuff. Yeah, and no stings. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.